Hello, everyone, and welcome to M.Taylor's Money Making and Marketing Sense. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of you have been curious about: 6 simple ways to make money online. In this video, we'll explore practical and accessible methods that anyone can start using right away, whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash on the side or seeking a full-time online income. We understand that the internet can be overwhelming with countless options, and it's easy to get lost in the noise. That's why we've narrowed it down to 6 straightforward strategies that are not only effective but also easy to implement. From freelancing to selling products, we'll cover a variety of avenues that cater to different skills and interests. And if you're getting good knowledge and value from these types of videos, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends who may also benefit from these insights. Also, tap the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming content when it's posted. Our goal is to provide you with actionable insights that you can start using today. So if you've ever wondered how to turn your skills or hobbies into a source of income, you're in the right place. Get ready to discover practical methods that can help you achieve financial freedom from the comforts of your own home. Stay tuned as we break down each method, share tips for success, and inspire you to take the first steps towards making money online. Freelancing. Freelancing has emerged as a lucrative way to earn money online, offering flexible and the potential for substantial income. One of the best aspects of freelancing is the variety of platforms available to connect freelancers with clients. Popular sites like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points for finding gigs that match your skills. These platforms allow you to showcase your expertise and bid on projects that interest you, making it easier to land jobs that fit your schedule. In today's digital landscape, certain skills are particularly in demand. For instance, writing and graphic design are 2 areas where businesses are consistently seeking talented freelancers. If you have a knack for creating compelling content or creating eye-catching visuals, you are already on the right track to attracting clients. To stand out in a competitive marketplace, it's crucial to create a strong profile that highlights your skills and experience. Make sure to include a professional photo, a well-written bio, and samples of your work. This not only builds credibility, but also helps potential clients see the value you can bring to their projects. So if you're ready to take the plunge into freelancing, start by exploring these platforms and honing your skills to maximize your earning potential. Online tutoring. Online tutoring has become an increasingly popular way to generate a flexible income, allowing you to share your knowledge while working from the comforts of your home. With platforms like VipKid and Chegg Tutors, you can connect with students eager to learn, whether it's teaching English to children in other countries or helping high school students with math and science. These platforms provide a structured environment where you can set your work days and personal hours and choose the subjects you're passionate about. To succeed in online tutoring, having expertise in a specific subject is crucial. Whether you excel in languages, mathematics, or even specialized fields like coding, your knowledge can be a valuable asset to students seeking help. The more proficient you are in your subject, the more likely you are to attract students who need your guidance. Marketing your skills effectively is also essential in this competitive landscape. Create a compelling profile that highlights your qualifications, teaching style, and any relevant experience. Use social media and word of mouth to spread the word about your tutoring services. By showcasing your expertise and effectively promoting yourself, you can build a steady stream of students and create a rewarding income source through online tutoring. So if you're ready to share your knowledge, dive into this fulfilling opportunity. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing presents a fantastic opportunity to earn money online by promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. One of the easiest ways to get started is by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. This program allows you to promote millions of products available on Amazon, making it simple to find items that resonate with your audience. Signing up is straightforward, and once you're approved, you can start sharing your unique affiliate links. Choosing a niche is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. By focusing on a specific area, whether it's tech gadgets, beauty products, or fitness gear, you can tailor your content to attract a targeted audience. This not only helps you build credibility, but also increases the likelihood of conversion, as your followers will trust your recommendations. To maximize your earnings, it's essential to create engaging content that drives traffic to your affiliate links. This could be in the form of blog posts, social media updates, or YouTube videos that review or showcase the products you're promoting. The more valuable and informative your content is, the more likely your audience will click on your links and make a purchase. So if you're ready to explore the potential of affiliate marketing, start by selecting your niche and creating compelling content that resonates with your audience. Selling products online. Selling products through e-commerce platforms has revolutionized the way we do business, allowing anyone to turn their creativity or unused item into profit. Platforms like Etsy and eBay are excellent choices for those looking to sell handmade crafts, vintage treasures, or unique finds. Etsy is particularly popular for artisans and crafters, while eBay offers a broader marketplace for various products, making it easy to reach potential buyers. One of the key elements to successful online selling is high quality product photography and compelling descriptions. Eye catching images can make a significant difference in attracting customers as they provide a visual representation of your product. Ensure that your photos are well lit and showcase your items from multiple angles. Additionally, writing clear and engaging descriptions that highlight the features and benefits of your products can help persuade potential buyers to make a purchase. To maximize your success, it's also important to research market trends to identify profitable products. Understanding what's currently in demand can help you tailor your offering and stay ahead of the competition. By keeping an eye on popular items and seasonal trends, you can adjust your inventory accordingly. So if you're ready to dive into the world of e-commerce, start by exploring these platforms and honing your product presentation to attract buyers. Content creation. Creating content has become a powerful way to express creativity and connect with audiences, and it can also lead to various monetization opportunities. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok have revolutionized the way we consume video content, allowing creators to share their passions and expertise with a global audience. Whether you're making tutorials, vlogs, or entertaining skits, these platforms provide a space for you to showcase your talent and build a following. To succeed in content creation, consistency is key. Regularly uploading videos helps keep your audience engaged and encourages them to return for more. Establishing a posting schedule can help you stay organized and maintain momentum. Additionally, engaging with your audience through comments and social media can foster a sense of community, making viewers more likely to support your content. As your audience grows, you can explore various monetization options, such as sponsorships and ad revenue. Many brands are eager to collaborate with content creators who align with their values, providing opportunities for paid partnerships. Additionally, platforms like YouTube offer ad revenue through their partner program, allowing you to earn money based on views and clicks. So if you're passionate about creating content, dive in, stay consistent, and explore the exciting monetization avenues available to you. Online courses. Online teaching refers to delivering educational content through digital platforms, encompassing formats like videos, lectures, webinars, and interactive courses. With the increasing demand for flexible learning options, online courses have become essential in today's education landscape. They offer unparalleled accessibility, allowing students to learn at their own pace, anytime and anywhere. Developing compelling course material and utilizing various multimedia formats like videos, infographics, and podcasts to enhance learning. You can incorporate interactive elements such as quizzes and discussion forums to keep students engaged. Additionally, ensuring your course is well structured and easy to follow will guide learners through each mode seamlessly for a more effective educational experience. Creating a compelling course landing page that highlights key benefits and features, and leveraging testimonials and reviews from past students can build credibility and trust, making your course more appealing to new learners eager to enroll. In today's video, we explored 6 simple ways to make money online, each offering unique opportunities for anyone looking to boost their income. We discussed freelancing as a flexible option, highlighting platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can showcase your skills. Online tutoring emerged as another great avenue, with sites like VipKid and Chegg Tutors connecting you with eager learners. We also delved into affiliate marketing, emphasizing the importance of choosing a niche and creating engaging content to drive traffic to your links. Selling products online through platforms like Etsy and eBay allow you to turn your creativity into profit, while content creation on YouTube and TikTok open doors to monetization through sponsorships and ad revenue. And lastly, we also expanded on the learning aspects and earning potential of online courses. The key takeaways are to find a method that resonates with you. Stay consistent and engage with your audience to maximize your success. Now it's time for you to take action. Explore these money making methods and see which ones align with your skills and interests. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.